How to create an account on Elevate. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Elevate. So to do that, first of all, open up the Elevate app on your mobile device. Now you can find this app both on your Play Store as well as your App Store. So simply download it from there. Now once you've opened the app, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the option Get Started. Now, if you want, you can simply go through all of these and then tap on the option Continue. But for now, you can simply skip this process, which will be on the top right corner of your screen. So let me simply skip through all of these. Now it'll ask you to rate your writing skill. So once you've done that, simply tap on the option Get Results. Tap on the option Finish setting up your account, and finally you will be given the option to create an account. So to do that, it will basically give you four different options. So to do that, you can basically continue with your Apple account, your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email account. So for now, I'll simply use my Apple account. Tap on the option Continue. Now select your age range. Tap on the option Continue. Now you'll have to choose a plan. So you can either try free for 7 days, choose the yearly plan, which costs $4.42 per month, or you can choose the monthly plan, which will cost you $19.99 per month. So if you don't want to choose any of these, simply tap on the option Continue with limited version. Continue. Not now. Continue. And as you can see, you have successfully created an account on Elevate. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.